Hello, ladies and gentlemen. It's the 28th of April, and we'll just do a quick commentary of our market for the next coming week. Now, as you can see from our daily chart there, the market started very well and it sort of closed higher, and there were all the signals that this market would trend higher and move up to its previous high of 105.42. Our stochastic studies, especially when we took the trade, was still looking downwards, but they did at some point move up, which gave credence to the trade that we had taken. But the market stayed pretty flat at the 102 area, and as mentioned in our commentary on our website, it's as if the bulls were just had it. They said, okay, we give up, and on Friday the market collapsed below the 21 MA and closed below the 21 MA at 180. Now, looking at the weekly chart, we had initially said that that pin bar there was an indication that price was going to move higher, and that showed a rejection of the prices downwards. But as analysts, we analyze from what we see and from the experience that we've had. And apparently that was not correct, because the market decided to go downward. Probably because the bulls didn't have much strength to push over that price to the positive side, because remember that market opened lower, and so we would have expected that the bulls would have had enough strength to push it above its opening price. But from what it looks like, the defeat or the inability of the bulls to push that price higher than its opening meant that the lacked strength. So the interpretation there would have been that the bulls had less strength, and therefore we should have seen a downward trend of prices in the coming week. Nonetheless, we still feel that this market is still bullish. Price is still above the 21 period for the weekly chart, and we believe that this is still on the bullish side. Now, if this market closes higher this week, coming week, it will be a vindication of that line of thought. But if it does close below the previous low at 98.70, we might begin to worry that the trend might be shifting downwards. As always, we will always make the decision when the price falls below the 21 week period, and that will be below 95. That's when we will truly believe that this market trend has really turned. So we will look and see how the next week goes. If the market closes lower below 98, we'll start to worry about that push upward. And if it does close at 95, below 95, we might start looking for trades on the lower side, meaning on the shorter side of the trade. So we'll continue to monitor the prices on the daily chart. As I mentioned, I think if the prices fall below 100, we will be worried. If it closes below the previous low of 98.70, we will be more worried. If it closes below 96.89, we will begin to look for short signals. But as we said when it falls below the 95, we'll be looking to go short on the weekly. But this weekly period will advance up, so by the time the week closes, this 21 period would move higher. So we presume that probably by the time price is below 96.89, the price on the weekly chart probably would be down the 21 MA, the 21 period. So we'll wait and see. But our hope and our belief is still that this market is going to go up. And if we see price on Monday close above the 21 MA, that will be an indication that the bulls are still in play. So we'll wait and see how price goes, and we'll report next week how things turn out. We thank you for listening, and we hope you have a good week trading. God bless you all. Bye.